Hi friends, this is Miss Sheetal from IELTS with Sheetal. Today we're going to look at some of the common mistakes that students make in IELTS speaking and writing. So here I would read the incorrect form of the sentence and then the correct form of it. Okay, so let's get started. So our first sentence is, whenever you are asked where are you coming from, then you might say, I am coming from Goa or any other place. But this sentence is wrong. You could write or say, I come from Goa or any other place instead. Okay, so I am coming from Goa is incorrect and I come from Goa is the correct form of it. So the second sentence is, I am looking forward to see you. Oftentimes you have to use this sentence in a writing task 1 for general candidates. So this sentence is incorrect. Instead, I am looking forward to seeing you is the correct form of it. Okay, so you have to add an ing form after looking forward to. Moving on to the next sentence, I'd like to agree with the statement. Oftentimes, you have to use the sentence when you are agreeing with a particular statement, especially in your speaking part 3. So what's the mistake in this? Here, to agree with is incorrect. So we use agree with somebody and agree to an idea. So here the statement is an idea, so we cannot use to agree with. Instead, we can use I would like to agree to the statement. Okay? Now the fourth sentence is, I cannot agree to Prime Minister. Here a Prime Minister is a person, not an idea. So we use the preposition with. Okay? So the correct sentence is, I cannot agree with the Prime Minister. Now the next sentence is, this essay is discussing about globalization. Here the word discuss itself means that speak about, so you don't have to use discuss about. Instead, the correct form is, this essay is discussing globalization. Okay, now the sixth sentence, my hobby is listening music. Nope, here is listening music is incorrect. Instead, we can use my hobby is listening to music. We have to add the preposition to that. Okay, so my hobby is listening to music. Now, moving on to the next one, they returned back my book. So you don't have to use returned back here. Instead, you can use they returned my book. Okay, now the next sentence is, I prefer English than French. Again, there is a mistake. So you can correct it by writing, I prefer English to French. Okay, now the next one is, it's the most common mistake that students make while using this form of expression, that is, it is high time. Okay, what is the mistake? It is high time that the government will solve the problem. Here, this is a mistake, that is, government will solve the problem. That's a mistake. How can we correct it? So the correct form of the sentence is, it is high time the government solved the problem. Okay, have you noticed it? So after it is high time, the verb should be in the past form. Now moving on to the next one. Each of the girls are cute. Here the correct one is, each of the girls is cute. Notice that each is singular. It takes a singular verb. Now the next one is, film songs are more preferable to me. Here we don't have to use the word more here. Why? Because I prefer itself means that I like more. So you don't have to add this extra more here. Right? Now the correct form of the sentence is film songs are preferable to me. Now the next sentence, according to me, feminism is positive. Here, according to me is not apt. Instead, you can use in my opinion, to my mind, I think, I'm of the opinion that. Right. So here the correct form of the sentence is, in my opinion, feminism is positive. Now the next sentence, I can cope up with all these problems. This is a common mistake that is made by almost all the students. That is cope up with. So here you can correct it by using this sentence. That is, I can cope with all these problems. Okay, here cope with is the correct idiomatic expression. Right? Now, he not only shouted at his wife but also his mother. No, here the mistake is you have to add an at after but also. So how can we correct it? He not only shouted at his wife but also at his mother. Okay. Now, due to bad weather, we cancelled the journey. Here, due to is incorrect. Use owing to when you begin a sentence. You can't begin a sentence with due to. Right? So, owing to bad weather, we cancelled the journey. Now, moving on to the next one. My uncle is in abroad. No, you can use an in before abroad. Instead, you can use my uncle is abroad. Okay? Now, the next mistake is the more we travel, we learn a lot. Okay? This is an expression that is the more, begin a sentence beginning with the more. Oftentimes, you have to use this in your writing task too. So, how can you correct it? So, the right way to use it is the more we travel, comma, the more we learn. All right? The more we do something, the more we'll get. All right? Now the next sentence is, the number of accidents are increasing. Here, even though accidents are plural, here the subject is the number of. Okay? So we have to write is instead of are. So the correct sentence becomes, the number of accidents is increasing. Okay? You might make this mistake in your writing task too, so beware of it. Whenever the number is the subject, then you always use is as a verb, alright? Now, the next sentence is, today morning I left for school without washing my face. Okay, so you can't use today morning here. Even though it is grammatically correct, but it's not preferred idiom in American or British English. Instead, you can use this morning I left for school without washing my face. Okay, now yet another mistake I have to point out to you is everybody know English. Here you can't use know after everybody because everybody, somebody, nobody are singular and they attract a singular verb. Okay, so the correct sentence is everybody knows English. Alright. So that's all guys. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to IELTS with Sheetal and don't hesitate to click the like button if you like my videos and the bell icon so that you'll not miss any of my videos. Okay, take care. Bye.